So I'm Mariana. I'm talking here from Fazenda Pinhal. It's in Santo Antônio do Amparo, Brazil. And I will talk about ASA's project that like freely translating means wings, but is a wild animal release area. So we became aware of this project because it's not created by us, but it is governmental project that my dad watched in a TV show. So he talked about the project with me, and I start looking. So I went to another ASAS, to another project to see a release of birds. And by the time I saw once, I was like really enchanted by it. And then I went with the bureaucracy paperwork, so we were approved, and we built 2 aviaries. So the idea, it was like first only for birds, but by the time we have a lot of forest here, so we also release like mammals and snakes, venomous snakes and turtles, porcupine. So the project is about it aims to take back, to have like to give the animals another chance to go to nature again, to their habitat. So most of the birds, when they arrive here from a governmental place that is kind of a hospital, that first they go there, they get like analyzed with the body and the blood and the muscles, if they're flying, if they're eating well. And then they come here, they stay for a while to get used to the climb and we observe if they're flying well, and then we open the cage, the window, and they're able to fly back to nature. Most of the wild animals traffic is something that is a really bad market. Is only after drugs and guns. So people make a lot of money. Like with Brazilian law, it's difficult to cut like this kind of traffic. So most of the birds and the animals itself, they're like seized by the police, but there's also like from road accidents, like fire on their like habitat areas, and human like mistreat. So there are a lot of like another options. And it became for us something for life. In the beginning, we thought, okay, we have an area, we can do that, we can help this way. But since the first group we received was in 2019, and now we release almost like 1,000 animals. And every time is really like exciting and enchanted, like to see. I think the most value that comes from it is like freedom, and it's something that like us as human beings, we see like the cruelty of human as well, so we try to do our best that we can.